It's not about rushing to the top. If you try to rush it to the top of the mountain, you're undoubtedly going to make mistakes. You're undoubtedly going to have slips and falls. It's about getting steadfast in what it takes in order to get to the top. It's not about how fast can I get there, but how deep can I practice? How intentional can I be with every single step in the work that's required to get me there? And if you focus on that, your speed will come. With the speed to the top is a byproduct of this. People always ask me this: how do I get to the places that I want to get to faster? How do I get to the outcomes? Is transformation this thing that's going to get me to these mountaintops in a way that's faster? And it's like, yes, it is, but not in the ways that you think. You're not going to run up these hills. You're going to run into this present moment, and from this present moment, you're going to develop the strength and the courage and the faith to be able to run.